Hello everyone, this is Alex from Catalysts here with a very brief tutorial on how to manage your Catalysts coding contest registration. We will cover two topics. First of all, how to switch from a solo participant to a team, and the second one, how to add team members to an already existing team. So let's just jump to it. First of all, make sure that you are logged in and you are already registered as a single participant to a contest. You can check the status of your registration by clicking My Registrations at the top right corner of the registration page. You will arrive at this table where you'll be able to see all your current registrations. In order to switch to a team, first of all, you'll have to remove your current registration, and you can simply do that by clicking the Remove Registration button. Great. Now let's register as a team. So we go here, participate, and click on team. Let's give it a team name. Very, very cool name. Continue. Now here, I could invite team members at this step, but I'm not going to do it just to prove that it can be done in the future. So continue. Great. Now, in order to add members to an already existing team, all you'll have to do is click on My Registrations and go to your team's profile. And you can do that simply by clicking on the team name in the rightmost column. There we go. Here you can see an email field, which you can just fill in with your friend's email. So let's say george@email.com. And by clicking Send Invite, he will receive an invitation to your team. And by accepting it, he will be the new member of your team. Now, in order to switch from a team to a solo participant, all you need to do is just leave the team and then re-register as a single participant. Well, that was about it for today. We hope to see each other at the next contest, and until then, keep it awesome.